Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain has dipped into this orange support area and is now in a possible support zone for a B wave. We are still printing higher highs, higher lows. However, that last dip here was quite deep. That's what we've seen across the sector. And yeah, at the moment I call this a WXY structure to the upside. I don't like, however, that this move up looks a bit like a 5-wave move, so it wouldn't really fit the idea of a WXY. But zooming into the microstructures, I can call it a 3-wave move if I really want to. Yeah, there's definitely a way to do that. For example, I could easily say we have an A, B, C, and the C is an ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So definitely a potential wave count. There are other counts, however, right? I have to say that this is just a bit of a mess here. But for now, I go with the yellow count. Okay, I have to say that below. So if we go down lower, yeah, and we form another low and get close to the red line, maybe even slightly below, then this might turn into something different, yeah. And I might change it anyway to that count, but it might just be that we say this is an A wave up, and then all of this is a B wave, A, B, C in a flat structure. Then we go up. Okay, so overall A, B, C. It wouldn't change really much. It's just to have it, correct. If we get another low, then this count would look best. For now, because the pullback here looks like 3 waves, I think it's best to call that a B wave. All right. So that's how I see it at the moment. We are still in a local downtrend, and I have no confirmation that a low is in. Key support is surely here, this red line. That's a local invalidation point for the pattern that we've got. And that's at 2 point, what's that? Yeah, 1.9 cents. However, Fibonacci support ends at 2.5 cents. So this is a scenario where we say, ideally, we don't break below 2.5 cents, but because we're dealing with a B wave pullback, I treat support as weak. So I don't rely on it, okay? So it means we have to prepare mentally for a break of support. That's just whenever we're dealing with a B wave, we at least have to consider it, because B waves can be very deep. However, this is still an area where, let's say with a high probability, we would see a reaction if this wave count is correct. So I treat it as a WXY structure, and in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C, so I'm just waiting for a signal that the C wave has started, and the next rally could be the last one. So again, the yellow count is preferred, which could form a major top there. Even if in the white count we extend further higher, maybe even to all-time high territory, this 4th wave would be substantial. So we will be able, if we see at some point here the pullback is extending, but it's a corrective pullback, then it might be the white count. Then we can always adjust to that. It will depend also what Bitcoin is doing at that point, so we will be able to adjust. Okay, but for now, I'm still looking for higher. A lot of people are talking about the altcoin season potential. I'm not sure if I would call that an altcoin season, but it could still be a decent rally that could be around the corner. Yeah, especially with the DXY dropping, that's something that shifts the focus towards altcoins, I would say, to a certain degree at least. So all of that can be quite a complex structure here, can turn into quite a complex structure, which is normal because we're dealing with a corrective rally in yellow wave 2 after the market dipped in a 5-wave move into the June 2023 low. So if you want to learn more about Elliott wave, check out our main channel, MCO Global. I'm starting to upload some videos about Elliott wave on this channel as well. This is our main channel, by the way. But what my goal is, why do I do it? I want to make sure that everybody who's watching the videos at least can understand it. Okay, there's always further educational content as part of our membership, but this here at least, there needs to be a basic understanding. Everybody needs to understand what we're talking about when we talk about Elliott waves, impulses, and so on. So check it out. The link for that channel is in the description. And yesterday, I published a video about impulses. And yeah, spoiler alert, we don't see any impulse at the moment on the VeChain chart. Yeah. looking at the VeChain short-term chart here, we're dealing with a potential reversal from the 3rd of February low. However, I'm not convinced yet that this was really a substantial low that formed on the 9th of February, because the rally afterwards is just corrective. Now, I need some more information. I need some more evidence, price data. For now, this is simply just ranging and trolling basically support. As long as we're holding above 2.9 cents, I mean, we have to give it that space. We have to give the market a little bit of breathing space. It can move up and down a bit. If I had to give you really a count, which I'm doing anyway, right? But if I had to, I can't really commit to one, but the best one I can offer here is a diagonal structure to the upside in the yellow scenario, where we formed from that low, from the 9th of February, or 10th, no, the 9th, we formed the 3-wave move up, which would be wave A of 3. This here could be a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up could follow. That should take us close to the breakout point here, maybe 3.8 cents. No, hold on. 4 cents, yeah. And we need to get above that 4 cent level for further confirmation that we've actually bottomed here on the 3rd of February and on the 9th of February. At the moment, this is simply sideways consolidation, and the market is just waiting, and we need to be patient. But bear in mind, crypto market is usually only quiet for a certain amount of time, and then a big move is gonna shake everybody up, and everybody who's been sleeping is suddenly gonna be awake. So a big move is surely around the corner. For now, though, we are just holding support, and there is just no action. So it's a bit of a waiting game, unfortunately. So yeah, that's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.